Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aries. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, guys. This is for your daily energy, Aries. This is for your career situation and this is for your love reading, and one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So this is the card here, guys, and we will turn the cards as we proceed, Aries. So for your daily reading, guys, it's Ace of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, Aries, this may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation. There are some things that people are not telling you. Maybe the people you are in connection with in your work or in your personal life, and there are major changes coming your way, guys. Some revolutionary changes in your career or in your personal life. So this person is not true to you. Maybe for some of you, if it is something relating to your personal life, they are not telling you the whole truth. So they are in this connection with some things for some personal use. They are here just to make use of you in some ways, but it is not love, guys. That is what I see with this card. So for your career situation, what is the card? Ace of Pentacles. So with this card, I see here that you are moving towards some success, guys. Some new opportunity or offers are coming towards you, or you are having that greater potential today to reach success and abundance in life, Aries. That is what I see with that card. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Eight of Swords. Just like we saw with this card, you may feel that things are stressing you, binding you. In some ways you do not have that freedom today, guys, and you have that feeling of restriction, and things are working against you, your circumstance, and you feel confused and trapped today, powerless in your situation. So however this person is, however you are, you have this feeling in this connection. This may be because of the way this person treats you, or it may be because of your circumstance, how things are going in this connection, guys. So some kind of stressful situation, you feel trapped and powerless and restricted today. You are not free. You are not free to tell them what you want. So this person is definitely controlling you. That is what I see with this card here, guys. Let us see what is this card, the oracle guidance for you, guys. Poised. This card just means to have that balance in our situation, guys. So it may be the balance we need to have in our life today, in our career or in our personal life, no matter what the situation is. So again, in our career situation, it may mean that we have to be ready, have that confidence today to face any situation, take that necessary action and move in the right direction to reach that destiny. So this card this oracle, when this card appears in a reading, guys, it just means that things are going towards something very positive, guys. So however whatever troubles you would have faced till now, you will be able to overcome that, and this appearance of this card just means that things are shaping up towards that positive progress. So whatever choices that you are taking up in your career situation, it will automatically manifest, guys. So you will see the successful beginning and successful completion of that path. That is what I see. And same way in your relationship also, you will be able to find that balance and harmony with this person, and you will be able to have that love, understanding, and this truthful connection with this person. That is what this card means, guys. And that is the reading for you all today, Aries. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.